one of the best protective hairstyles to help natural hair because it's super lightweight. Bohemian braids are not new, but still trending. We're going to see a few techniques here and there, how we part, braid, curl, shape, and also challenges that come along with the hairstyle and how we could overcome them. But first, we are going to see how to achieve this beautiful coffee brown boho bob hairstyle. Stay tuned. Cat Africa Afro has been into short hairstyles basically, and we appreciate so much your support. Now, hair topics will be posted on Sundays. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please, you are welcome to our farm. You simply click the red subscribe button and the notification bell so you are notified whenever we post a video. So we shall need pre-stretched braiding hair, afro comb or lifter, rat-tail comb, wax, moss, curly hair, and hair clips or ties, which have not been included here. This is the hair we're working with. It might be important to consider the hair type as it helps to know how to approach the style. Her hair is medium length and thick. The length will determine how short this bob will be. And since her hair is thick, we may not need to feed as much braiding hair as it would be for those with sparse hair or thin hair rather. Sectioning always makes work easier. Knotless braids gives a flat base, making your boxes more noticeable, so you want them neat and clean. So after applying the wax, run through with a comb the second time, so you take every single strand and place it where you want it to sleep. Start by braiding your own natural hair about 2 to 3 times. Then attach the curly hair piece like that as your first piece, and then of course follow the pre-stretched braiding hair about 3 pieces. You may notice I'm using the underhand method to get a tight tuck and curve. Now this depends on the client. Some clients may not need a curvy look, so it would be important to know your client's preference. So since we want the ends to be curly, we are going to add our curly piece like that. To seal the braids, you want to use small piece of curly hair, wrapping it round and create a loop. Then pull it through that loop. You could do this 2 to 3 times so that prevents your braids from unraveling. To make it even more secure, I'm using this round iron to slightly melt the knot, not burn it. Cut off the remaining braiding straight pieces at the end. That's pretty much it. We used mousse off camera to soften the braids, and now this is what we have. Beautiful bohemian knotless box braids, bob. Beautiful as it is, this style is not always easy as it may look. Are you in a crisis? Struggling with tangles and knots? This is one of the challenges. You may constantly want to apply mousse to help with detangling, which may not be good enough anyway. High maintenance is another challenge. This is not a get up and go hairstyle. You need enough time and care. This has to keep removing knots and mousse to help with detangling, and time. The best trick, however, would be to use human hair for the curls in place of synthetic curly hair, since the synthetic gets nappy just after about a few days. Human hair may be easier to maintain and may last you a month or over. So what experiences have you had with bohemian braids, and how have you overcome the challenges?